So hello everyone. So this is the GAC GN8, which is in GAC model Cambodia. It's a company that has been imported under TH group. And here we can see we have black and white, and the design is quite nice according to the culture of Chinese culture and Asian cultures. We tend to like any big MPV car with powerful front face grille, and as you can see, the grille is to the wide. It is long, big, and we can see the GAC logo right here. So the GAC has been powered by the engine 2.0 liter TGDI, which GAC is called it is mega very power that can produce 252 PS, and it's around 251 horsepower. That's enough to drive in the city. So let's see at the side of the car. All the material here is so premium. So let's see the VIP seat. So at the VIP seat, we can see the leathers and all the seats is so premium. Also premium, so we have basic function here. So we can see we also have a step that we can just step 1 and step 2, and we have the light that illuminates when at night, that we can see our step, that we don't miss our step. So here the handle that the two levers for the children and for the adult. So this car is imported with the same specification from Arab. So we have the Arab letter right here. Right here we have the letter right here. So let's look at the wheel. It looks nice. At the back, let's see at the back, at the rear of the car. And we can see at the another side of the car. And it's the camera right here, you can see. And 2 minute sensors that to make sure the car has enough safety